শরীর খুব অসুস্থ, মাথা ব্যথা করছে, এ কারণে কাজ করতে পারছি না।
বিয়ে হচ্ছে না, লোকে ভাবে আমার কুষ্ঠরোগ হয়েছে।
Arsenic contamination poses a serious threat to the people of West Bengal. To study the nature, extent and cause of arsenic pollution, a steering committee was constituted in May 1988. Based on the suggestions of this committee, an action plan was drawn up to deal with the threat posed by the presence of arsenic in drinking water. And turning this action plan into a reality was the PHED West Bengal.
Since a new government formed under the leadership of Srimati Mamata Banerjee as a Chief Minister, we are trying by the PHED department very hard to supply drinking water free from arsenic.
In association with various NGOs, water testing labs were set up in the arsenic-affected areas, which have now increased to 120 across the state. Water from the public water sources spread all over the state was tested to check the level of arsenic present, and it was found that the arsenic content exceeded the permissible level of 0.05 mg per litre in various parts of the state. Based on these results, 8 districts of West Bengal, namely Malda, Murshidabad, Nadia, North 24 Parganas, South 24 Parganas, Howrah, Hooghly and Bardhaman were identified as regions containing excess arsenic in groundwater.
So while we are looking at this problem, the dimension in which the Public Health Department, Public Health Engineering Department in West Bengal has to work, the dimension is manifold and the task is very challenging. For arsenic, there is no one ready-made solution, but a package of all innovative solutions that are being put into force towards attaining the objective. Right now, the total investment which is planned or which is in the anvil is somewhere to the tune of 5,000 crores.
Various short-term, medium-term and long-term solutions for arsenic mitigation were initiated by the state government. To begin with, about 2,600 hand pumps were fitted with arsenic treatment units. These units draw water from the hand pumps and pass it through a media which helps to remove arsenic dissolved in water, thereby making it safe for consumption. Existing tube wells of piped water supply schemes yielding high arsenic were replaced with new big diameter tube wells penetrating deeper aquifer considered to be free from arsenic as part of the mid-term initiatives. A few piped water supply schemes based on River Bhagirathi were also implemented, which was felt to be the only sustainable solution. However, these sporadic actions could not address the vast magnitude of the arsenic menace. Therefore, a master plan for a holistic solution to the arsenic problem was envisaged, where 515 piped water supply schemes were taken up to cover 3,525 villages to benefit a design population of 165.89 lakh at an estimated cost of 2,750.29 crores. District Bardhaman was declared free from arsenic, where a large surface water-based piped water supply scheme and 10 groundwater-based water supply has been commissioned, benefiting a population of 18.50 lakh. Similarly, in Nadia district, about 12 lakh design population have already been benefited with the commissioning of piped water supply schemes based on River Bhagirathi. Rest of the schemes under the master plan are at an advanced stage of implementation in the districts of North 24 Parganas, Nadia, Murshidabad, Malda, Howrah and Hooghly. Today, 11.08 million people, which is around 67% of the total rural population, considered to be under risk due to arsenic pollution, have access to safe drinking water.
Within 2020 year, we will supply 70 litre per head to every body of whole of Bengal. The Vision 2020 is a very challenging job. We need help for the better and very scientific methods and high technology from everywhere in the world. In this way, we will able to reach our Vision 2020.
Through these innovative solutions, PHED West Bengal has ushered in a new beginning. Safe arsenic-free water is now available at the doorsteps of the people through the various piped water supply schemes. The government of West Bengal has brought back hope into people's lives. It aims to make West Bengal an arsenic-free state, a state whose people are now hopeful and happy, a state where safe drinking water is not a distant dream. PHED, spreading the joy of safe drinking water.